All right, I'm going right to the good stuff. Don't you just love it? Don't you just love those Windsor chairs? Those are the Windsor chairs from... I wonder why people are slowing down by our house. Those are the Windsor chairs from Tractor Supply Company. And we purchased them a few days ago online, and they came in yesterday. And I want to show you what we had and now why we have these. We had 4 of these wonderful wicker plastic benches, and I figured that they would be just really good because they'd live forever. The water wouldn't bother them. They'd be fine. They'd last. We got them at Lowe's about 3 years ago, end of season. I think I paid $50 a piece for them, which at that time seemed pretty good because they were like $149. I don't know. But anyway, we have 4 of them. And this is what's happened to 3 of them. Look at this. I mean, hello. What is this? They just totally broke. And I don't know if they broke from falling over or if they broke from weight like this. You know, when you push on this, it probably weakened this and broke. So we have 3 of these benches that are kind of broken like that. And I don't want to throw them away because they're still nice, but at the same time, I don't really want everyone coming over and sitting in them anymore. So I'm putting them around the yard and decided that I needed something that's going to last. I also have these chairs that I've picked up also on clearance at the end of the season at Lowe's. These might be a year or 2 old, but I'm starting to see some issues with these. Like this kind of thing, right? Just it's a little staple that's unloosed. But you know, the more people sit on these things and it puts more weight on there, the more these things are going to start to break. I also have these tables, and I purchased these at, I don't know, I think I probably got them at Lowe's too. I get everything at Lowe's at the end of the season. These have been really wonderful, and for some reason, these tables, they last. I don't know. I mean, probably because they can't blow over because you've got these big holes in them. And are they really prim looking? No, but sometimes you just need a table. But my lookout here was always the wicker. The brown wicker. You can see I have some brown wicker chairs here. These have lasted pretty well. I purchased these at Home Depot probably 6 years ago, and they're in good shape yet. So thank goodness for that. So I have those, and then I have another one of the, look at these shoes. So Tom has this nasty habit of leaving his shoes outside because, you know, they kind of have crap on them and they smell. And then it rains, and then he ruins them. So there's another pair of shoes ruined. This is the only bench that's actually in good shape. Okay, so leave us to these new Windsor chairs that we have right now. These are from Tractor Supply. And I purchased this bench, and I know a lot of you have this. I purchased this bench over at Tractor Supply probably 3 years ago. Oh, you can see I'm starting to get some crud on it. Now, it really rained last night. I mean, like, guys, it poured. It was crazy. So 3 years ago, I got this bench. It sat in the barn. Then last winter, it sat outside. It doesn't look any worse for wear. I've got a little bit of rusting going on that I have to address, but really nice, solid aluminum bench. They come in 2 pieces. The top part is all one piece, and then the legs are the other piece. And basically right now you can get these for $159 online. You cannot get them in the stores. You have to order them online. But here's the big but. They charge $124 a piece to ship them to either your home or a store. And I don't know about you guys, but $159 for that bench, I can see $300 for that bench gives me a little bit of pause. So I could not get 3 other benches to replace those wicker benches. So this is what I did. these Windsor chairs, they also have there. You order them online. Right now they're $79. They're on sale. And they do not charge you freight if you have it delivered to a store, which means that for the price of one of those benches, I got 4 of these chairs, and they're nice. They're solid. Again, they come in 3 pieces. This is all 1 piece, and then the legs you have to screw on. Not a big deal. Excuse my dogs. They can't stand when I'm out here, and they want to be out here too. I'm going to have to go let them out just so that I can talk to you without being disturbed. My little dogs, the 2 old ones, are going to be 16 in a few months. Come on. I don't know where Dewey is. I think Dewey's locked in the other room. All right, back to the Windsor chairs. Sorry about the interruption. So as we go to the Windsor chairs, I purchased 4 of these, and they're really nice. Now, they can be a little uncomfortable, so I have some of my pillows on there. These pillows you can purchase from my website. In fact, if you go to my website, that's connected to my YouTube video, you can purchase them right off of there from my Shopify shop. And I love these things. They are kind of a canvas. You can hear it. Poly canvas. They've got some texture to it. They're thick. They're waterproof. See how that's just beaded up? They do really well outside, and I love them. I also have an outdoor carpet here. So this is one of the outdoor carpets that I ordered for inside, and I used it inside for a while and decided I was going to take it outside and see how it would work outside. So this color is getting a little dirty, I can see. This one that they sent me was kind of a dud, so that's why I'm using it outside. This was a dud. And what happens if you get a dud, because sometimes they just don't quality control them well, I'll replace it for you. So this was a dud, and I thought I'd just put it outside. But I love that color with the house, because I have this green on my trim, and this is kind of a gold green, and it just looks really good out here. So I'm loving the way this looks, but it is thin. And right now it's really staying down to the ground because it's soaking wet. But when this is dry, it will kind of fly if you're in a windy area. So it's a good outdoor rug, but it also is light. And I find that to be really great in the house. I use these in the house all the time, but we're going to see how it wears over the summer. So this is our area. We do not have too many plants out here, but of course, if you wanted to make this beautiful, you'd put plants out here. I have 1 plant. This is Tom's. This was a lovely gift from Michelle, our friend Michelle, whose house we've looked at. Michelle and Ron sent this over. My mother-in-law died last week, a week ago today. So that's sad. And also a blessing. It's a mixed blessing. She's very sick and disabled for a long time. So, she lived a full life, but it's still sad because it's the end of the time with her. So, that's why we have that flower here. But back to the good stuff. Putting a bunch of plants around here would really make this look good. And the other thing I've done is I have umbrellas all over. I've chosen a tan. They're all matching. They're looking good. My daughter works at Ocean State Job Lot a little bit, and so we get a discount. These all went through that rainstorm last night, and thank goodness they're all still standing. So this gives me a nice shady area for everybody. It's beautiful this time of year out in the sun, but those stones really radiate the heat, and it can get really hot out here. So you want to shade it as much as possible. I really love this patio though. So pretty. So the only thing I really have to do here besides a few plants is I think that I need a few more pillows. I think that these 2 chairs should have a pillow on them. I have one in mind that matches the rug over there, and that will just bring that over to the side. It wouldn't hurt to have pillows on these either, you know, one or two. It wouldn't hurt, but I can't just keep buying pillows. Even though I'm selling them, they're still expensive. And the truth behind the cost of the pillows is that the pillows aren't that much to make, but the shipping is more than the pillow. So that's why those get expensive. The shipping is just incredible because they're bulky. And 2 of those pillows fill up a big box, and that box to ship it is amazingly expensive. So that's the story on the pillows, and that's the story on my deck. My dogs are very happy out here. My gardens are starting to grow. You can see we have a lot of work to do, but the plants are just starting to come in. And of course, in a month, in June, this will all be full of beautiful, beautiful flowers. There's been a lot of rain. We have a tree over there, an apple tree in the middle of the yard that's really been struggling. And Tom finally cut off all the bittersweet from it and killed that. And the tree is doing so much better. So I have to get a pillow for my she shed too. I'm gonna have to go in and do my spring cleaning. Pretty soon this garden is just gonna fill, and it's gonna be way over my head. But I moved one of these benches over here. I think a cute pillow on here would be nice, and then maybe I'll actually put some flowers in the window box this year. I didn't do that last year. Look at the ivy growing up the side again. That is problematic because it ruins the wood and we have to replace it. So there's just always so much to do here at the farm, guys. So much. Anyway, it's kind of what we're up to. Last year, we started building another shower stall over here. I don't know that we need that shower stall, but I wanted one because we had another shower thing, and I thought it would be nice to have an extra one. So that that structure out there is another shower stall, and the lovely lilacs have bloomed. They smell so good. I've got a beautiful purple lilac tree on the other side of the yard, but these just smell so good. My lilacs come in different times. I've got a lilac tree over here. It doesn't seem to be doing that well this year. I don't really know what's going on there. We have to trim our trees. It's a lot. Look at the ivy here. Oh my goodness. All right. So you can see we need to trim our hydrangeas down around that one tree. This tree has been dying for years. It got some kind of disease and died. It's a nice tree though. We really want to work on the outside of our yard this year because all these consulates and stuff are coming from Britain in the end of September to donate a sign and honor Andy Mamedoff, who lived here as a child and grew up here, who was a British war hero. So kind of want to make the house look good. The other thing is, we just painted this 2 years ago and half the paint is peeling off, which is really annoying. We used a really high quality Benjamin Moore paint. We scraped really well, and we really have to paint this side of the house again this summer. So sad, really sad. Lots and lots to do. All right, Carlisle, we should go in, honey. Both my dogs are half blind and half deaf. You need some more. He got a haircut the other day, but he needs a little help. And we're going to get them in the house. And I'm going to get this out to you so that this week you have 2 videos. I'm kind of putting videos out every Friday lately. That's something I can handle. So, want to go in? Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. See you guys later.